How to transfer PayPal to GoTyme debit card. Here's how to transfer your PayPal balance directly to your GoTyme debit card. So step 1, go ahead and open up the PayPal application on your device. Log into your PayPal account. So click on the PayPal app and then make sure to log into your account. So once you're logged into your account, you can go ahead and head over into your dashboard. So from your dashboard, you should find this menu icon at the top left. Click on it, and then under that, you should find the wallet tab. So click on it, look for wallet, and then click on it. And then from here, click on this link e-card button to link your GoTyme debit card to your PayPal account. So you need to enter your GoTyme card number, expiration date, and CVV. You should find this from the physical card you've got. And then once you have this connected, you can easily and immediately send money from your PayPal account to your GoTyme debit card.